Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram highlights disappeared. So if you're experiencing this on your Instagram app that the highlights are not showing on your end, hope these solutions will help you. So first is you need to make sure that your Instagram app has been updated. So you can check on it on your App Store or your Play Store by tapping Instagram and look for the app. And if you can see that update word there, you can tap update. So if it's updated, then you can start opening it. And if it's still not working, then what we can do here is to go to our settings and then tap on general, and then we're going to tap on iPhone storage, and here you have to scroll down a bit and find Instagram app and tap on it. And what we do is to offload the app. Now this will free up some storage used by the app but keep your documents and data. So reinstalling the app will place back your data. So you can offload that and you can reinstall again the app and hope that works. But if not, then what we need to do here is to go to your Instagram app, tap on the three lines on the upper right corner of your phone and tap for settings and privacy, and scroll down a bit and you will see there more info and support. Tap help, and we need to report a problem, and all you have to do here is to tap report a problem. You can briefly explain what happened and what's not working, just like highlights are not showing on your timeline or on your Instagram app. And then you can support that statement by adding some screenshot and uploading it to Instagram. And then if you're done, then tap send and wait for the Instagram to contact, or Instagram support to contact you. So hope this helps. Please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for